Alright, so you guys are going to be taking a virtual field trip. Different people in the group are going to be going to different places. You're going to need Google Maps, so just click on that. Get yourself a separate tab ready to go. This is just how to take a screenshot on the Chromebook. And you're going to be getting some latitude, longitude stuff. I only need you to take it right here to the second decimal place. And you're going to need to hyperlink it. So like if I want to link this to a website, on my keyboard I do Control K, and then I can paste the link in. You'll also be using this little yellow icon person to get a street view, and I'll show you what that is. So basically I want you to find some beautiful beaches in different parts of the world. So it's going to take some Google searching, and I want you to find these places and see what they look like from Google Street View. So I'm going to want a map view. So like I'm just using Monterey Bay Aquarium as an example. So I'm going to need the group member who did it in red, the longitude of the place. So like right here is my latitude, longitude for that place, the nearest city that it's located by. This will be like the cartoonish map. This will be the actual picture. So, once you do a Google search, find out, okay, if you're doing Africa and you're doing the South Atlantic Ocean, well, Google what are some beautiful beaches in South Africa and see if you can get a Google Street shot that looks like this. And what I'm going to need you to do is I'm going to need you to include a link that will take me to the screenshot you took. So this is a screenshot that I took of Monterey Bay from this location. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take me to that spot. See, this is exactly what I took a screenshot of. See right up here, this gives me my location. So I could copy and paste this in and just take it to the second decimal place. So I would cut it off right here at 0.9. All right, what about this weird little yellow icon? So this I can drop anywhere, and anywhere that there's a blue highlight, it will let me drop this person, and I can look and see what it's like from that spot. I wouldn't drop them here on the street because I don't want to see anybody's house. Drop them near the ocean. So again, someplace where we can actually see what the ocean looks like at that particular spot. So I'm just going to pick right here, Monterey Bay, right there. I'm going to drop them. And then that's where I was looking at. So I was looking out from this spot. See, that's that little cutout that I have. That's the spot I was looking out from. So I want you to do the same thing, but I want you to find some beautiful beaches in different parts of the world. Each person needs their own page. Like I've basically taken up, I'm going to zoom out here. I've basically taken up one entire page just to myself. So this document will grow. One person will look up this, one person will look up here, one person will look up here. What happens if you don't have 5 group members? Each person is responsible for doing their own, and that's it. So you just pick your one section of wherever, North Pacific, North Atlantic, and just do that. That's it. So the biggest thing is when you drop your icon, I don't want to see anybody's house. Okay, so here I'll show you an example of this. So I don't want you to, oh look, there's the Pacific, and you drop it like right here. Okay, and then I see this. Again, I need to see a picture of the ocean, not of somebody's backyard.